Introduction to secure messaging apps.
Secure messaging apps help protect your private conversations from hackers and unwanted surveillance. By using encryption and privacy-focused features, these apps let you communicate safely with friends, family, or colleagues. In this guide, you'll learn how to choose a secure messaging app, install it, enable its key features, and keep your messages as private as possible.
Choosing a secure messaging app.
Popular secure messaging apps include Signal, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Look for apps that offer end-to-end encryption, strong privacy policies, and features like disappearing messages. Check App Store reviews and official websites to ensure the app is reputable and regularly updated. Selecting a well-supported and widely trusted app is an essential first step to secure communication.
Installing and setting up your app.
Download your chosen app from the official Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and follow the prompts to register your phone number or email address. You'll typically need to verify your identity with a code. Once registered, set a strong password or enable biometric authentication for extra security.
Top privacy and security features.
Explore your app's privacy settings. Enable features like end-to-end encryption, two-factor authentication, and disappearing messages if available. Adjust settings to control who can see your profile, last seen status, and read receipts. Some apps let you lock individual chats, backup data securely, or block unwanted contacts for enhanced protection.
Keeping your conversations private.
Stay vigilant by keeping your app updated and only accepting contact requests from people you know. Avoid sharing sensitive information in group chats or with unknown users. Regularly review your privacy settings and consider setting messages to automatically delete after a certain period for added security. Being proactive helps keep your conversations private.
Conclusion: stay secure and connected.
Using secure messaging apps is an easy way to take control of your digital privacy. By carefully choosing your app, enabling privacy features, and following safe practices, you can enjoy private conversations and protect your information from unauthorized access. Stay informed and mindful to make secure communication a part of your daily routine.